Large Cosmetic handheld square mirror red. Wow! How nice, just what is needed to check your hairdo and makeup too. Beside that, it is very pretty. Mecora 6-inch hand mirror special design tabletop 360-degree. Bomb-diggity buy. I wondered why the original MSRP is so high, compared to other similar, multi-use tabletop hand mirrors. Upon receipt, it's immediately clear that this is not comparable to other handheld desktop mirrors, which are cheap junk, made in China, semi-disposable, lucky if it lasts through 6 months use, sharp pointy pokey metal wires and/or exposed metal edges seams. Instead, polar opposite. This Mecora 6-inch hand mirror tabletop mirror is an elegant, exquisite, investment quality, lifelong, heavy-duty, personal vanity use and household decor item. This bling beauty might easily have been custom-made for ladies' dressing tables, hundreds of years ago, by a blacksmith, or any craftsman. Sturdy, solid metal, heavyweight, polished, quality construction, distortion-free mirror glass. Built to last, looks feels rich, elegant, classy. So much nicer in person. Item description: images don't capture the exquisite quality, heavy-duty, solid construction, weighted, in-hand, look, and real feel, of this treasure. Both sides are largest size, reasonable for a handheld mirror, and provide perfect, distortion-free viewing. Hinges operate smooth and tight. Stays in position, once I bend it to desired angle. Solid surround frame and handle construction, no sharp exposed metal seams, wires, springs, nail heads, etc. Just smooth, highly polished bling. Hair and makeup, feels substantial, nicely weighted in hand, ingenious 3-way design, 1, handheld, 2, desktop, or 3, wall hang. When not in use, bling. Sparkle jewelry for your room. Can serve as a travel mirror, although heavy, and too high quality to risk breakage, during suitcase travel baggage handling. Weight, in particular, may impede portability. Whow, too heavy for routine handbag use. Summary: exquisite. Functional elegance. Rich, sturdy, sparkle, heirloom quality treasure. Hand mirror Mr. 34. Professional single-sided mirror features an ergonomically designed handle to ensure a firm grip. This mirror gives your clients a wider viewing field to admire and is perfect for daily use. All dimensions are approximations.